Hi everyone, welcome to the item receipt close ASN tutorial. In this little guide, we're going to show how to make inventory live by closing an ASN and generating an item receipt. So I won't go through the process of creating an ASN and receiving it, but I've got an ASN here that I've already received. So now I'm just going to close it. And basically it may warn you that not all the quantities have been pulled in, have been received in full, which is fine. That's okay. Sometimes you might get short shipped from your vendor, in which case just click OK. And you can see now the ASN has been closed successfully, and this is the item receipt that's been generated. So now that you've actually closed the ASN, your item receipt has been generated, and your inventory is now live in the system. So you do have to make sure you close your ASN once you've received it. So the item receipt that's been generated, that's basically going to affect your accounts payable. And let's actually head over to the item receipt center. And you can see here that this is the item receipt that was generated right now. So if I open this item receipt up, I can actually see that these are the goods that are received and they're now live in the system. So one important kind of note is that once you close an ASN, it's automatically creating an item receipt in the system, which makes the inventory live. And eventually you can actually convert this item receipt to a bill. So your accounting team won't have to manually be creating bills for any inventory that you've received. It can be done directly from the ASN process, which generates an item receipt. And then the item receipt itself, you can actually convert to a bill. So that's an important thing to keep in mind, is that you don't have to be creating any bills manually for any inventory. It should be done through the ASN process.